Hello, annyeong. Today I'm gonna unbox a garment pants. Like seriously, I'm not kidding. Seluar daripada bottom slab. I really have to say, unfortunately, I could not really fit into most of my work pants right now. That's why in the end, I just ordered these pants. Honestly, I've seen the ad for these pants for so many times in my Facebook feed. Like it pops up all the time. Anyway, this brand claimed that they are an Australian brand, but they ship from Hong Kong. I'm just hoping that the quality will be good. So let's just open this. There's a free socks, free size, and I ordered 2 pairs of pants actually. The Momentum pants. Actually dalam website dia memang adalah package ambil 2 lagi murah sikit lah berbanding ambil 1. So that's why I just decided, you know what, I'm just gonna order 2. So yang saya ambil adalah jet blue and light grey. This one is jet blue and then this one is light grey. Looks pretty good so far. One thing that attracted me the most about the marketing would be it is said to be stretchable. Oh ya, saya ambil size S. Sudah direka itu. I'm not kidding. Harap-harap muat. And then dia ada tali jurut and dia ada hidden pocket over here with zippers. Not bad. Ni yang light grey pula. Again, quality looks pretty fine. Oh ya, bagian dalam pinggang dia macam ada getah lah. But I'm not really sure about the elasticity. Should be 4-way stretch. Ya, mari kita try. As you can see, I'm still wearing my work attire. So, saya tukar seluar sajalah.
Moments later.
Wow. Okay. I was not expecting this. It fits perfectly. Honestly, saya risau seluar ni sempit sebab size S kan, but no, it doesn't fit. But I have to say, lubang pocket yang hidden pocket ni kecil lah. Macam susah mau masukkan tangan. Panjang dia pun okay lah for me, for my height. I'm 171 anyway. This is really good actually. Not too tight, not too loose. I think I got the right size. I was just gambling, you know. Mari cuba yang satu lagi.
More moments later.
Damn, what do you think? Nice kan? Seriously, I'm loving this pants. Honestly, I am a bit skeptical when it comes to ordering online garments, unless it's trusted brands. Not that I'm saying that it's not a trusted brand, but now no doubt I'm gonna say this is a trusted brand. And this is not a paid review, okay? So, I'm loving this. The stretchability is pretty good. It is comfortable as well to wear. Price-wise is also pretty good. So, for those yang suka seluar kerja jenis khakis or something like that, yang tidak suka yang jenis licin-licin, this is absolutely recommendable. And for those yang ada masalah pinggang sikit kecil, sikit besar pun, this is absolutely highly recommendable lah for me personally. I think that's all for this video. Happy shopping. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.